Hello everyone. Question is for control records, who can modify the control in the draft state? Option A, all compliance users. Option B, only the compliance manager. Option C, only the person assigned the attestation. Option D, only control owners. Correct answer is option D. Question is control indicators may be triggered or scheduled in which state? Option A, retired. Option B, monitor. Option C, review. Option D, attest. Option E, draft. Correct answer is option B. Question is which role reviews the risk response and moves the risk record into the monitor state at the appropriate time? Option A, risk manager. Option B, risk user. Option C, risk reader. Option D, risk owner. Correct answer is option A. Question is entity scoping is used for what? Option A, make sure that all of your entities have the right visibility. Option B, create and assign controls to the correct users. Option C, create, assign and manage controls and risks across an enterprise. Option D, scope out the different users and roles that have access to the platform. Correct answer is option C. Question is the SOX contained pack includes a series of policies control risks. How are all of these components linked together? Option A, mapping file. Option B, manually. Option C, automatically. Option D, batch import. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is UCF has a collection of what? Select all UCF terms. Choose three options. Option A, control indicators. Option B, authority documents. Option C, policies. Option D, citations. Option E, controls. Correct answer is option B, D and option E. Question is, as a customer reaches greater GRC maturity, what can we expect to see occurring across their organization? Choose three options. Option A, single risk and control frameworks across enterprise available to all stakeholders. Option B, reliance on spreadsheet management for risk reporting. Option C, continuous real-time monitoring of control performance. Option D, cross-functional process automation. Option E, reactive strategies for GRC activities. Correct answer is option A, C and option E. Question is which scheduled jobs in the GRC profiles scope help manage the population of entity records? Choose two options. Option A, GRC indicator nightly run. Option B, GRC entity and risk statement data collection. Option C, GRC profile generation. Option D, GRC refresh risk scores. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is which of the following is the correct statement about risk scoring formulas? Option A, SLE into ARO is equals to ALE. Option B, ALE into ARO is equals to compliance score. Option C, ALE into ARO is equals to SLE. Option D, impact into urgency is equals to ALE. Correct answer is option A. Question is for classic risk assessment, while a risk is in the assess state, reviewers can do which of the following? Choose two options. Option A answer the assessment, moving the risk to respond. Option B set the risk to monitor. Option C delete the risk. Option D set the risk back to draft. Correct answer is option A and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, what is the condition that must exist to edit the factor guidance of a published risk assessment methodology RAM? Option A, all assessment instance records are in the monitor state. Option B, all assessment instance records are closed. Option C, all assessment instance records are deleted. Option D, states of the assessment instance records are irrelevant. Option E, all assessment instance records are cancelled. Correct answer is option C. Question is, policies can be automatically published after which of the following occurs? Option A, related control objectives are marked active. Option B, policy exception is closed. Option C, policy is approved by all approvers. Option D, policy is approved by one approver. Correct answer is option C. Question is, to allow other applications to request a policy exception, you must complete the integration registry form. In addition to providing the name of the registry entry, what additional information is needed to complete the form? Option A, you must indicate the audience for requesting policy exceptions. Option B, you must indicate the intended service portal. Option C, you must indicate the policy exception target table. Option D, you must indicate the allowed policy acknowledgement campaigns. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, the overall goal of entity classes is to Option A, to enable reporting and to support advanced risk assessment. Option B, show relationships between entities and policies and map them directly to citations. Option C, associate control objectives and risk statements with risk and controls. Option D, to provide specific information about an entity such as who owns the entity. Correct answer is option A. Question is, what is the minimum role required for creating a policy acknowledgement campaign? Option A, sn_risk.user. Option B, sn_compliance.user. Option C, sn_compliance.admin. Option D, sn_compliance.manager. Option E, sn_control.owner. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following are the classic risk score types that ServiceNow tracks? Choose three options. Option A, residual. Option B, inherent. Option C, calculated. Option D, operational. Option E, digital. Correct answer is option A, B and option C. Question is, what is the condition that must exist to edit the risk scoring logic of a published risk assessment methodology RAM? Option A, all assessment instance records are closed. Option B. All assessment instance records are deleted or cancelled. Option C. All assessment instance records are in the monitor state. Option D. All assessment instance records are in the draft state. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following extends from document table? Choose two options. Option A. Citation. Option B. Policy. Option C. Control objective. Option D. Authority document. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is, what is the minimum role required to create a risk assessment methodology RAM? Option A. sn_compliance.admin. Option B. sn_risk.user. Option C. sn_risk.manager. Option D. sn_risk.admin. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which table stores the links from policy to control objective? Please see the options. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, what is a risk register? Option A. Repository for all undefined risks. Option B. Repository for risk frameworks. Option C. Repository for risk statements. Option D. Repository for all identified risks. Option E. Repository for risk criteria. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which feature would you use to track completion of certain tasks? Option A. Related lists. Option B. SLAs. Option C. Workflow editor. Option D. Notifications. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which GRC application would you use to determine where the organization is the most vulnerable or has the most exposure? Option A. Vendor risk management. Option B. Audit management. Option C. Policy and compliance management. Option D. Risk management. Correct answer is option D. Question is, what are the terms for level of risk before and after any actions are taken? Choose two options. Option A. Operational risk. Option B. Digital risk. Option C. Inherent risk. Option D. Calculated risk. Option E. Residual risk. Option F. Solution risk. Correct answer is option C and option E. Question is, what types of tasks are specific to the audit module? Choose four options. Option A. Control attestation. Option B. Interview. Option C. Walkthrough. Option D. Control test. Option E. Activity. Option F. Remediation. Correct answer is option B, C, D and option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, which of the following tables exist within the GRC profiles application scope? Choose three options. Option A. Document. Option B. Policy. Option C. Risk. Option D. Content. Option E. Indicator. Correct answer is option A, D, and option E. Question is, what are some characteristics of the ServiceNow store? Choose 4 options. Option A, some applications are certified by ServiceNow. Option B, all applications are certified by ServiceNow. Option C, applications may be developed by ServiceNow technology partners. Option D, it houses both paid and free applications and integrations. Option E, applications are built on the ServiceNow platform. Option F, applications are certified by other developers. Correct answer is option B, C, D, and option E. Question is, which role is not part of ServiceNow GRC? Option A, risk user. Option B, risk developer. Option C, risk manager. Option D, risk reader. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following statements is true for of a risk response task? Option A, only one risk response task can be related to a risk at a time. Option B, only users with the risk underscore manager role or higher can be assigned to a risk response task. Option C, the risk admin role is required to assign the risk response task. Option D, the risk response task is automatically progressed through the states using a workflow. Correct answer is option D. Question is, what table along with the policy table is linked to the control objective table by a many-to-many relationship? Option A, entity class. Option B, citation. Option C, authority documents. Option D, risk framework. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, why would you create entity classes? Option A, to show relationships between tables or objects you are tracking that doesn't otherwise exist anywhere in ServiceNow. Option B, to be assigned to risk statements which generate risks for every entity listed in the entity class. Option C, to be assigned to control objectives which generate controls for every entity listed in the entity class. Option D, to show relationships between entities and policies and map them directly to citations. Correct answer is option A. Question is, which of the following extends from items? Option A, citation. Option B, controls. Option C, issue. Option D, policy. Correct answer is option B. Question is, what happens when you assign an entity type to a risk statement? Option A, an assessment will be automatically generated to test each entity listed in the entity type. Option B, a risk assessment is created automatically for every entity listed in the entity type. Option C, a risk is automatically generated for every entity listed in the entity type. Option D, the entity is now going to present a risk score and controls are going to be tied to it. Correct answer is option B. Question is, there is a direct relationship between entity class and entity type when option A, they have the same entity types. Option B, there is no direct relationship. Option C, they have the same entities. Option D, they leverage the same reporting. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, which filter navigation syntax displays the table in list view within a separate browser tab? Option A, table name underscore list. Option B, table name dot list. Option C, table name dot capital list. Option D, table name dot capital list. Correct answer is option C. Question is, Jim is an audit manager. In addition to audit manager, which roles should be assigned to ensure he can manage the audit process as well as other GRC functions related to audit? Choose two options. Option A, SN underscore GRC dot manager. Option B, SN underscore audit dot user. Option C, SN underscore GRC dot user. Option D, SN underscore GRC dot reader. Option E, SN underscore GRC dot developer. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is, what table extends from document table? Option A, risk. Option B, risk framework. Option C, risk response task. Option D, risk statement. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which of the following are scoped applications related to the risk and compliance applications? Choose four options. Please see the options. Correct answer is option A, C, D and option F. Question is, which tables extend the content within bracket SN underscore GRC underscore content table? Choose two options. Option A, SN underscore compliance underscore citation. Option B, SN underscore GRC underscore issue. Option C, SN underscore compliance underscore policy underscore statement. Option D, SN underscore risk underscore risk. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is, all of the following are parent tables which exist within the GRC entity's application scope except option A, item. Option B, document. Option C, content. Option D, indicator. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, which table stores the links from entity to entity types? Please see the options. Correct answer is option D. Question is, where does a policy get published to when it is approved? Option A, Knowledge Summit. Option B, ServiceNow Library. Option C, Authoritative Records. Option D, Knowledge Base. Correct answer is option D. Question is, what GRC module would you access in order to update entity types? Option A, risk then entities. Option B, scoping then profiles. Option C, scoping then entity types. Option D, CMDB. Correct answer is option C. Question is, the ServiceNow platform requires which external components in order to ingest data from other systems? Option A, the platform includes an SDK template that allows developers to enhance it using Java. Option B, a messaging bus needs to be developed. Option C, the platform allows XML to be ingested and it required developers to leverage XSLT to map it properly. Option D, the platform has integration service that allow users and developers to ingest data from a variety of sources. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, you are working with your customer to determine necessary audit management workflow configurations. What should they know about the approval process for audit engagements? Choose three options. Option A, if the engagement is approved and there are remaining open tasks or issues, it automatically moves into the follow-up state. Option B, if the engagement is approved and there are no remaining open tasks or issues, it automatically moves into the cloud state. Option C, if the engagement is rejected, it automatically moves back to the fieldwork state. Option D, if the engagement is approved and there are remaining open tasks or issues, it automatically moves into the fieldwork state. Option E, if the engagement is rejected, it automatically moves into the scope state. Correct answer is option A, B, and option C. Question is, which GRC application would you use to manage internal or external consultancy processes that aim to prove the effectiveness of controls? Option A, audit management. Option B, risk management. Option C, vendor risk management. Option D, policy and compliance management. Correct answer is option A. Question is, what are the risk scoring methods available in ServiceNow? Choose two options. Option A, quantitative. Option B, qualitative. Option C, inherent. Option D, residual. Option E, calculated. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is, the risk thresholds in the risk criteria matrix default values do not line up with company needs. What should you do? Option A, configure the risk criteria in ServiceNow. Option B, identify risks that will benefit from the default values. Option C, demonstrate risk scoring scenarios using the default values. Option D, use the default values to determine new company approach. Correct answer is option A. Question is, who can move a policy into review? Choose two options. Option A, sysadmin. Option B, policy approver. Option C, policy reviewer. Option D, policy owner. Correct answer is option A. Question is, the citation table is a child table of which parent? Option A, content. Option B, authority document. Option C, item. Option D, document. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, which one of the following is not a trigger for issue creation? Option A, manual issue created by any manager or admin role as well as by audit user. Option B, indicator failure. Option C, risk assessment returns the inherent and residual risk impact as very high. Option D, attestation returns the result as not implemented. Option E, control effectiveness is ineffective and the state of control test is closed complete. Correct answer is option C. Question is, the risk scoring values are entered on the risk statement. What records inherits the values from the risk statement? Option A, risk criteria matrix. Option B, risk framework. Option C, registered risk. Option D, risk response issue. Correct answer is option D. Question is, when calculating compliance scores, what is true about the weighting of controls? Choose two options. Option A, controls are not weighted equally by default. Option B, the weight cannot be changed. Option C, the default value is 10. Option D, the weight of the control is set when the control is created. Correct answer is option C and option D. Question is, what are the four values leveraged for the inherent and residual risk score types? Option A, impact probability, SLE, ARO. Option B, impact likelihood, SLE, ALE. Option C, impact likelihood, SLE, score. Option D, impact likelihood, SLE, ARO. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, what type of customers may you encounter? Choose three options. Option A, organization recently acquired and had some bad audit findings, that is using ServiceNow GRC to help restart their process. Option B, organization with little to nothing in place already, that is implementing one or more core ServiceNow GRC applications. Option C, organization undergoing a full GRC transformation, that is implementing all three core ServiceNow GRC applications at once or in a phased approach. Option D, organization implementing ServiceNow GRC to help ease their customer service organization, that is using other tools to manage other processes. Option E, organization implementing ServiceNow GRC to help ease their help desk organization, that is using other tools to manage other processes. Correct answer is option A, B and option C. Question is, what baseline criteria determine when notifications are triggered in relation to audit tasks? Choose two options. Option A, expiration. Option B, at 50% completion. Option C, reassignment. Option D, due date change. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is, common controls from UCF import into which table in ServiceNow? Option A is in underscore compliance underscore policy. Option B is in underscore compliance underscore policy underscore statement. Option C is in underscore compliance underscore policy underscore exception. Option D is in underscore compliance underscore authority underscore document. Correct answer is option B. Question is, when reviewing the control objective table form with your customer, what are the most common choice lists to be configured? Choose three options. Option A, reference. Option B, classification. Option C, category. Option D, type. Option E, description. Correct answer is option B, C, and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, on which records is the entity a required field? Choose two options. Option A, risk. Option B, control. Option C, policy. Option D, control objective. Option E, risk statement. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is, what new related list was added to the risk statement and entity records after migrating to advanced risk assessment? Option A, aggregated risk related list. Option B, risk assessments related list. Option C, risk tolerance related list. Option D, assessment instances related list. Correct answer is option A. Question is, the consolidated assessment feature can be used on which of the following? Choose two options. Option A, control tests. Option B, classic risk assessments. Option C, issues. Option D, control attestations. Correct answer is option B and option D. Question is, for classic risk assessment, indicator failure factor represents the impact of risk indicator failures on what score? Option A, inherent ALE. Option B, calculated ALE. Option C, residual ALE. Option D, inherent SLE. Correct answer is option A and option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, if you create a control manually and later decide to create them automatically, what will be the result? Option A, ServiceNow will delete the manually created control. Option B, ServiceNow creates a duplicate control and notifies the control owner. Option C, ServiceNow creates a duplicate control without notifying the control owner. Option D, ServiceNow identifies the control and does not create a duplicate. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which of the following relationship sets are considered a many-to-many relationship? Choose three options. Option A, entity type and entity class. Option B, indicator template and entity type. Option C, control and risk. Option D, control objective and entity type. Option E, entity type and entity. Correct answer is option C, D, and option E. Question is, critical parts of a successful GRC implementation are understanding the customer's current. Choose three options. Option A, regulatory requirements. Option B, risk and compliance personas. Option C, GRC processes. Option D, data breaches. Option E, audit failures. Correct answer is option C, D, and option E. Question is, risk criteria typically include definitions of different levels of what? Choose two options. Option A, impact. Option B, likelihood. Option C, criticality. Option D, importance. Option E, priority. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is Santa Clara facility and Boston facility are example of what? Option A entities. Option B entity object. Option C entity class. Option D entity type. Correct answer is option C. Question is who should be directly involved in GRC implementations? Choose four options. Option A Board of Directors. Option B Chief Executive. Option C ServiceNow platform experts. Option D Business Analyst. Option E Risk and Compliance experts. Option F CMDB process owner. Correct answer is option C, D, E and option F. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is which of the following statements correctly describe the risk management life cycle process? Option A access, identify and plan, control, review. Option B control, review, assess, identify and plan. Option C identify and plan, assess, control, review. Option D identify and plan, review, assess, control. Correct answer is option A. Question is the entity type table has a many-to-many relationship with which tables? Choose two options. Option A risk statement. Option B policy. Option C control. Option D risk. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is what dependency modeling feature can be used in the classic UI to build relationships between entity classes? Option A GRC Workbench. Option B Dependency Model Builder. Option C Data Model Designer. Option D GRC Tree Map. Correct answer is option A. Question is which of the following roles can create a policy? Choose two options. Option A Audit User. Option B Compliance User. Option C Compliance Manager. Option D Risk User. Option E Compliance Reader. Correct answer is option B and option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is what three records need to be set up when integrating with a provider RSS feed? Choose three options. Option A feed sources record. Option B provider record. Option C regulatory feed record. Option D connection and credentials record. Option E regulatory change task record. Correct answer is option A and option D. Question is which of the following extends from content table? Choose two options. Option A citation. Option B policy. Option C control objective. Option D authority document. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is what are some of the drivers for customers to get the GRC suite of applications? Choose four options. Option A they would like efficiency. Option B they would like integrated reporting. Option C they would like transparency. Option D they would like automated customer service. Option E they would like custom websites. Option F they would like workflow driven processes. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is the advanced planning capability enables integration of advanced audit with PPM. If the advanced planning capability is selected when the audit plan is created, what extra related list display on the engagement record in addition to the related list displayed with basic planning? Choose three options. Option A, time card. Option B, resource plan. Option C, entities. Option D, cost plan. Option E, milestones. Correct answer is option A, B and option D. Question is, what would you use in order to accommodate a customer's unique process around policy approvals? For example, each policy needs a second layer of approval. Option A, create a new field and create notifications. Option B, add a new related list to keep track of who has already approved it and who hasn't approved yet. Option C, add a UI action to track who the stakeholders are. Option D, create a new workflow in the workflow editor. Correct answer is option D. Question is, where does one go to configure the regulatory change management impact assessment template? Option A, risk assessment methodology module. Option B, impact assessment flow in Flow Designer. Option C, impact assessment templates module. Option D, risk assessment templates module. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, what are the different ways a user can locate items in a service catalog? Choose two options. Option A, use the search on catalog or portal. Option B, navigate through the categories. Option C, use the top request or popular items widget. Option D, use the application navigator. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is, which GRC tables serves as primary parent tables for the GRC applications? Choose three options. Option A, content. Option B, item. Option C, asset. Option D, task. Option E, document. Correct answer is option A, B and option E. Question is, annualized loss expectancy is a feature of which risk score method? Option A, residual. Option B, quantitative. Option C, qualitative. Option D, inherent. Correct answer is option B. Question is, within the policy acknowledgement module, what table does the acknowledgement instance table extend from? Option A, task. Option B, policy acknowledgement. Option C, does not extend from a table. Option D, policy. Option E, document. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what assessment types can be enabled when configuring a risk assessment methodology RAM? Choose three options. Option A, operational risk assessment. Option B, application risk assessment. Option C, residual assessment. Option D, inherent assessment. Option E, control assessment. Option F, project risk assessment. Correct answer is option C, D and option E. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, what are some of the features of scoped applications for GRC? Choose three options. Option A, requires an entitlement for all environments. Option B. All components have a namespace prefix for identification. Option C. Provides access to all global data. Option D. Ability to view all components from the sys_metadata table. Option E. Ability to restrict access to available data. Correct answer is option A, B, and option E. Question is, who can move a policy record from review into the next state? Option A, the sysadmin. Option B, the compliance manager. Option C, any reviewer. Option D, the named policy owner. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what happens when you assign an entity type to a control objective? Option A, an assessment is automatically generated to test each entity listed in the entity type. Option B, a policy is created automatically for every entity listed in the entity type. Option C, a control is automatically generated for every entity listed in the entity type. Option D, the entity type presents a compliance score and controls tied to it. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a new problem coordinator accidentally created several problem investigations that need to be deleted. What role is required to delete a problem record? Option A, SN_problem_delete. Option B, ITIL_manager. Option C, problem_manager. Option D, problem_admin. Option E, problem_coordinator. Correct answer is option D. Question is, which methods does ServiceNow support when migrating new policies? Choose three options. Option A, they can be imported from PDFs. Option B, they can be imported via an API. Option C, they can be created manually. Option D, they can be copied from the UCF. Option E, they can be imported from regulatory websites. Option F, they can be imported from existing spreadsheets. Correct answer is option B, C, and option F. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, which collection of tables extend the document table? Option A, risk control. Option B, control objective citation. Option C, risk framework policy authority document. Option D, risk statement control objective citation. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what is the minimum role required to approve a policy? Option A, SN_GRC admin. Option B, SN_compliance manager. Option C, SN_compliance user. Option D, SN_GRC user. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which tables in the GRC profiles scope are parent tables for GRC risk management tables? Choose three options. Option A, item. Option B, task. Option C, content. Option D, profile. Option E, document. Correct answer is option A, C, and option E. Question is, what do you select when you create a new assessment scheduler record for initiating advanced risk assessments? Choose two options. Option A, any active entity. Option B, a published risk assessment methodology RAM. Option C, entities from the designated entity type. Option D, entities from the designated entity classes. Option E. Objects from ServiceNow tables. Correct answer is option B and option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, which of the following are scoped applications in GRC? Select all that apply. Option A. GRC profiles. Option B. GRC risk management. Option C. GRC compliance and audit management. Option D. Global. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is, who should be on the core implementation team for a GRC implementation? Option A. Risk and compliance experts. Option B. ServiceNow developer team. Option C. External audit team. Option D. Risk assessors. Correct answer is option A and option B. Question is, why would you create entity classes? Option A. To be assigned to control objectives which generate controls for every entity listed in the entity class. Option B. To be assigned to risk statements which generate risk for every entity listed in the entity class. Option C. To show relationships between tables or objects you are tracking that doesn't otherwise exist anywhere in ServiceNow. Option D. To show relationships between entities and policies and map them directly to citations. Correct answer is option A. Question is, Unified Compliance Framework UCF control documents import into which ServiceNow table with the UCF integration? Option A. Citation table. Option B. Control objectives table. Option C. Authority documents table. Option D. Policy table. Correct answer is option B. Question is, who should be directly involved in GRC implementation? Choose three options. Option A. Board of Directors. Option B. Chief Executive. Option C. ServiceNow platform experts. Option D. HR analysts. Option E. Risk and compliance experts. Option F. CMDB process owner. Correct answer is option C, E and option F. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.